Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and then act immediately. Make sure your device supports the target band, for example 4 GHz versus 5 GHz, and that you have admin access to the router or the phone. Once done, unlock the device, open settings, and navigate to Wi-Fi or network options. If you're using a router, log into the router web UI with admin credentials. Take these steps now, don't pause, so you can change the band in the next slide. Next, navigate deeper to the advanced Wi-Fi or wireless settings where band selection lives. You'll see options to set the SSID to broadcast on 4 GHz, 5 GHz, or 6 GHz. Choose the band that fits your needs. 5 GHz for less interference and higher throughput. 4 GHz for range. Change the SSID or band preference if necessary, then save settings. Make sure to restart the device Wi-Fi and the router if the new band doesn't appear immediately. Finally, confirm the device reconnects to the correct SSID and that the connection shows the chosen band. If it doesn't connect, reboot the device, forget the network, and then rejoin using the password. This forces a fresh negotiation. If the band option is missing, check router firmware and device Wi-Fi driver updates because outdated software often hides bands. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist after updates, temporarily restore router defaults, reconfigure the band, and then reapply your custom settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.